Welcome to qnawire.
So over here what we want to know is essentially the mass percentage of calcium carbonate that we have in a limestone sample. We're told that the mass of the sample is going to be equal to 432 milligrams, and upon treatment with oxalic acid, we're going to produce of calcium oxalate 524 grams. So starting from the mass of calcium oxalate, we want to know what is going to be the mass of calcium carbonate that we're going to have in the sample. And we're going to employ different conversion factors in order to get the result. And we're going to aid ourselves with our chemical equation. So we're going to begin with 524 milligrams of the calcium oxalate. Next up, a conversion factor, 4 milligrams to grams directly. The other information that we require is going to be the molecular weight of calcium oxalate, which is going to be 128.1 gram per mole. So we're going to employ this for the conversion factor. All of these are grams of calcium oxalate. I'm just going to omit them right now for the sake of the space. And next we're going to have that 1 mole of the calcium oxalate, according to our chemical equation, is going to correspond to 1 mole of calcium carbonate. And the very last step, we know that calcium carbonate is going to have this guy a molecular weight of 100 grams per mole. So we're going to multiply 100 grams of calcium carbonate divided by 1 mole of calcium carbonate, and the final conversion factor that is just going back to milligrams of carbonate from grams. So the mass that we're going to get of calcium carbonate coming from this operation is going to be 409 milligrams and 409.055 to be extra accurate. So now the percent as mass of calcium carbonate is going to be equal mass of the carbonate divided by the mass of the sample times 100, which is going to give us a 94.69%. So over here you can round up to 94.7%, depending on what is the policy on the page that you're employing for as answering this stuff. But this is the procedure, and that would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.